In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make modern photos look vintage like this, using nothing more than the Photos app. To make modern photos look like vintage photos, using nothing more than the Photos app, follow these steps. Unfortunately, it's not possible to add effects like film grain or noise in the Photos app. The easiest way to make a modern photo look like a vintage photo is to make it black and white. I will show you how to create 4 different looking vintage photos using the same photo and some of the preset filters available inside the Photos app. Of course, there are black and white filters, but the best way to make your photos look vintage is to make them black and white by removing the saturation. This ensures that applying specific preset filters will have the desired effect. If I tap on this first photo, tap the filter icon, and choose Vivid Warm, this filter is supposed to give a bit of a sepia tone to the photo. Make sure you start with your original photo, and then tap on the Adjust layer. You can make a modern photo look black and white by reducing the saturation to -100. The key to making modern photos look vintage is to decrease the contrast while slightly increasing the brightness. Decrease the contrast. Make sure you can still see the photo clearly. That looks good. Now tap on brightness and increase the brightness. You can bring down the highlights to make the photo even brighter than it already is because the brightness is at maximum. You can tap on exposure and increase the exposure a little bit. You want to make sure that you can still see the photo clearly. Just increase it slightly to give it a bit more brightness. Tap the 3 dots and copy the edits from your original photo. If you don't see the paste edits option, make sure to go back and copy your edits. To give your photo a bit of a sepia tone, you can now add the Vivid Warm filter, and it should provide the look you're going for. I'm going to paste the original edits that I made, and then select filters. This is the Silvertone filter, which is the one we're going to use. You can paste your original edits as many times as you need to. Tap on Edit, select Filters, and you can select Vivid Cool. Let me know in the comments which photo you like best. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.